In this video, we are going to install and integrate Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion model running through Ollama with OpenClaw. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. As you can see, we already have covered each and every flavor of this new small Qwen 3.5 family, and you can check out all of these videos plus this comparison which we did yesterday. Now in this video, as I said, I am going to install it through Ollama. First step is to make sure that you have Ollama installed and the latest version. Also, to top it off, I am going to run all of it on my CPU, no GPU involved. This is my Ubuntu system. I already have this Ollama version installed, which is the latest one. Make sure you upgrade it. If you don't know how, just go to my channel, search with Ollama upgrade, and you should be able to running the latest and greatest version of Ollama. Once you have that, simply run this command. It is going to download and run this Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion model from your Ollama website to your local system. And it is being downloaded. It is going to verify the checksum and give you the Ollama's Qwen 3.5's new smallest but really power packed model. Also, if you're looking to rent a GPU or CPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. And definitely, if you want to learn more about this really amazing small model and others, as I showed you earlier, just go here and check it out. Plus, for OpenClaw, which we have been covering in depth for the last few weeks, you can see we have done more than 50 videos just on OpenClaw and OpenClaw variants. So please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you are looking for AI updates without any hype. Let's go back and check what is happening, and our Ollama based Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion is ready. It is thinking, and then it is going to give us the response back. There you go. So I'm just going to exit from here, and now it is time to install OpenClaw. I already have OpenClaw installed, but I'm going to install it again just in front of you. I have cleaned up whatever was there earlier, and then the command to install this OpenClaw is again very simple and usual stuff. It is going to install OpenClaw, prepare my environment, and pick up whatever is there. So this is taking more and more time as the days are passing by, because they are releasing updates every day. So just be patient there, takes a minute or two. And OpenClaw is now started. I will just say yes here, and let's update the gateway service, and it is going to install it now. I'll just say yes, and then it should start it and update all the plugins. If you face any error after installing it, just go to my channel and search with OpenClaw error. I have done most of the common errors already in various videos, but these days we are getting this unauthorized a lot one. So if you are getting this error, just search it on the channel and watch this video. The OpenClaw is installed now, but you can see that I am getting the same error around the token, but don't worry about it. Just first let's open the config file, and we are going to configure the Ollama based model. And don't worry, I'm also going to give you this config file. You can check it out in the first pinned comment. So this is what it looks like, and this is my token, which I think it grabbed from my previous installation. So either you can reuse this token, or I will show you the command. If you don't have it already, you can generate your own and it will automatically populate it here. But more importantly, this is the new configuration which I will also give you. We are using this Ollama's local endpoint where Ollama is running, and you need to give this API. Make sure that model ID is the same which is running on your Ollama. You can also double check it by doing Ollama list, and this is where my Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion is running, and that is what I'm going to use. Look at the size, just 1 gig. Okay, so this is good, and then I'll just show you. We also need to give this agent, and this is my token. This is the whole config file which I'm using. Okay, let's go back to the terminal. Now, as I said earlier, if you don't have that token, just simply run this command, and this is going to put the token here. If you're still getting error, just watch that video, but should be good by now. Now at this point, we have configured our Ollama. We have downloaded the model. We have installed OpenClaw. Now let's configure the Telegram quickly. I'm just going to take you to my Telegram. Just search with botfather. I already have it. Otherwise you can search it here. From here, you can just say new bot. And then I'm just going to maybe call it Qwenclaw. Again, the username, I'm just going to give the same. Okay, so it says it should end in bot. So let's say Qwenclaw bot. Okay. Fahad Qwenclaw bot. How about that? There you go. So I just need this token. Don't worry, I'm going to rotate this token after the video. Okay, I'll just copy it. And now let's go back to my terminal. So these things are changing very quickly, but hopefully they still have this configure command, OpenClaw configure. The reason why I am running this is to just put in my Telegram token. And it is asking me where will the gateway run. I'll just say local because it is not started. That is why it is asking me what I want to do. So I'll just say, okay, you can configure different things. I'm just going to configure the channel. And it says configure link. Yes, I'll say yes. Telegram. You can also put it in the config file, and I already have showed you in my other video. So enter Telegram bot token. Now you can just paste it here, and then you can press enter, and then press enter, and you can see that it is now done. Now you can keep checking what is happening. I'll just say finished. I don't want to. It says default pairing. I'll say it's fine. Pairing is fine. We'll do pairing, and then you can just continue, or even you can exit from here. That's it. So our Telegram is configured. Next step is to restart the gateway service. The service is started. You can ignore this warning for now because we're just playing with it. But if this is a production environment, make sure that you have watched this OpenClaw security video, which is focused on security, which I already did some time back. This one. So it has all the security best practices which you need to follow. So next up, I'm just going to run that OpenClaw TUI, the terminal user interface. You can also access it from your dashboard in web, but I prefer terminal. And everything is configured. Our gateway is connected, as you can see. And you can just start sending messages from here to Telegram and back and forth. And our local Ollama model is now running in the OpenClaw. You can also integrate your OpenClaw with Telegram with this pairing, which we already have mentioned. And let me show you. So this is the command which you can also get from your new bot when you start it in the Telegram. And then all you need to do is to just press enter here. And then you will start receiving the messages here and also on the Telegram. As you can see here, I'm doing great. So it is coming from Telegram. And you might also see my phone beeping. It's also coming onto my phone too. So that's it. That's how you configure your Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion or any other model from Ollama in this Qwen 3.5 series with this OpenClaw by using very simple set of commands, which I will also be sharing with you. Again, please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member because members are what keeps this channel going. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.